Can you tell me a little bit about this, though, Ariana?
Oh, so that's what I'm supposed to do?
Mm-hmm. Cool.
Tropical rainforests are the Earth's oldest biome. And there are two types of tropical rainforests, jungle and primary forests.
Mm-hmm.
This is the primary forests. The trees are like columns in a row. And they are the most biodiverse biome on Earth with the most different kinds of life. That's all biotic factors. They are home to 50% of Earth's plants and animals. And they are home to 50 million indigenous peoples like the Yanomami tribe. They're located in regions between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. And they have a really hot and wet climate. They have 400 to 300 centimeters of precipitation and 30 to 20 degrees Celsius. And so there are many medical drugs derived from rainforest plants, like cortisone from wild yams, quinine from the cinchona tree, and novocaine. And vampire bat saliva helps prevent heart attacks. And the saliva of a leech, there's a chemical called pyridine in it, and it dissolves blood clots in humans. And secretions from frogs treat infections, mental disorders, and HIV. Sadly, there were about 6 million square miles of tropical rainforests in the beginning, and now only 2.6 square miles exist today. 2.6 million is what I meant, due to large-scale deforestation worldwide.
Wow.
That's really sad. Tropical rainforests are found in Latin America, Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Malaysia, and West Africa, and Madagascar. 57% of all tropical rainforests are found in Latin America, and 1/3 are located in Brazil. 25%, or 1/4, are located in Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands, and 18% are in West Africa. And tropical rainforests in the lowland tropics have the tallest trees that grow quickly, reaching heights over 200 feet. At higher altitudes, the forests become cooler montane forests with shorter trees. At the highest altitudes, they transform into cloud forests and are permanently covered by clouds. Along coasts, they become mangrove forests. And there are 4 layers: the forest floor, understory, canopy, and emergent. And the forest floor is completely shaded, so the soil is of poor quality. The understory consists of tree trunks, shrubs, parasites, epiphytes, which are vines that twine around trees only for support, and saplings. And this canopy contains most of the life of the rainforest, and most of the animals live here because it has a lot of food and abundant supply. And the trees are 100 to 240 feet tall in the emergence, and the kapok tree, a hardwood evergreen, and the Brazil nut tree are the tallest trees. And insects and eagles, hummingbirds, macaws, and some monkeys live here. Water moves in the water cycle with a new phase, transpiration, which is kind of like the leaves sweat. Or the leaves actually urinate water. Yes, it's shocking. In the rainforest, leaves urinate water. And fish like this, tambaqui, like this one the flamingo is holding, are important dispensers of seeds. And piranhas are the decomposers of the river. They eat any decaying animal or any decaying thing. And there are little bromeliad pools in aquaphytes, and tree frogs carry the tadpoles on their backs, one by one, and drop them into the pool. And the tropical rainforests are highly efficient food chains where nothing is wasted, almost nothing. And the Amazon water lily closes at night and traps beetles inside, and then opens in the day, and the beetles covered in a pollen shower fly out and pollinate other flowers. And ants make their homes in ant plants and acacia. And these animals, the mangrove snake, tobacco bird, poison dart frog, and seed bugs, all have markings, or they mimic, to make sure predators don't eat them. And here are some well-camouflaged animals: flower mantis, chameleon, and leaf insect. Stick insect, atlas moth, and baboon viper. And there are carnivorous plants like the pitcher plant and the Venus flytrap. And the quetzal has lots and lots of colors, vivid colors, to attract mates. And the rafflesia is a stinky flower to get flies to pollinate it. Yeah, it attracts flies and beetles. And the flying frog can literally fly. It glides. It glides like it's flying from tree to tree. And this is my bibliography of books and websites.
Fantastic. All right, thank you, Ariana.
What